Today I'm taking out the RONGSHU M.2 SSD. So here's the drive. It looks like a standard M.2. This is a 256 gigabyte drive. So to test that, we're going to use the Zyke drive. It is important to note this is an NVMe drive, so you do not want to use a SATA enclosure. This is for NVMe only. So it does not see it, so we're going to have to go to right-click Disk Management. So it does see it. And we can see our drive right here. Right-click, go to New Simple Volume. Next. And there we go, we got our drive. So I'm going to copy and paste about 15 gigabytes worth of pictures and video. And we'll see what kind of speed we get. So it looks like we're getting about 290 megabytes per second. And now let's do a speed test. Okay, so for sequential 1 byte, 8 process 1 thread, we got 2950 on the read and 373 on the write. Sequential 1 byte, 1 process 1 thread, we got 1403 and 277. For the random 4K, 32 process 1 thread, we got 299 and 155. For the random 4K, 1 process 1 thread, worst case scenario, we got 3.9 and 1.95. So the read is about what I would expect to see out of an M.2. Write is on the slow side. This is slower than I would expect out of a SATA SSD. But if all you're going to be doing is reading, so for example, maybe you put your games on there and you just need to read the information off of them, then that will be a perfectly fine drive for that. So depending on your application, that is an acceptable drive.